Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this bomb matte look. It's like, I want to call it like a blue jean sunset. Yeah, that's what we'll call this, a blue jean sunset. And I got inspired by this MUA. Her name is Slain Beauty, I think, or something like that on Instagram. When she did this look, it was something similar to this, but it's just different colors. But I saw it and I was like, that's real cute or whatever. Let me see if I can do that. And I did, but I just kind of put my own little twist on it, but I love it though. Like, I'm starting to really get into these more world looks. Like, I love my dramatic looks, like my simple looks. They come out so cute, okay? And I hope y'all are liking them too. Let me know down in the comments, or do y'all like these more world looks, like something that y'all can actually do too? Okay, and then we're out and I'll feel cute or whatever. Great. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and remember to hit that notification button so you don't miss any other videos I have coming up. And let's see what else. Comment, like, subscribe. You know, when you comment, it helps me know, that you like what I'm putting out there. And if you want to see something else, put it down in the comment too. Share. Yeah, you can share on YouTube here, right? Do that. Yeah, and that's basically it. And we'll get into this look. Okay, so the palette we're going to use today is the BPerfect Carnival palette. And I want to take that mustard color. Let me see. I am hitting pan on it. It is so sad. It's called Shuffle. And then in the crease, I'm going to take, what is this? A Rowdy, which is the brown. So those are the first two shades I want to use. So the yellow and the brown. Okay. Like, I'm just going to need for BPerfect to come out with some single shadows. Seriously. Okay, so y'all see my yellow is hitting pan. So I'm literally digging in here. Like, I have never hit pan on a shadow before, ever. So for me to do it with this, it's wild, okay? And I already set my eyes with the Too Faced concealer in the color Warm Sand. No, it's called Warm Medium. Okay, so I'm just starting at the outer portion of my brow, of my eye. I'm just packing it in as usual. Into that brown, which is Rowdy. And I never used this brown in here, but it's really good. They're like really good. Okay, so instead of going in with the brush that had the yellow on, I'm gonna take a clean brush instead. And I never do that step. I always just use the brush I was using before, but I did say and I liked it. Saw a little bit of a difference. Okay, so next color we're going into is Mood, which is their dark blue right there. And I'm gonna add some black too, just to deepen it up. Yeah, y'all know why I do that. I put black in the crease with the color to deepen it up. Look, it makes your crease more intense. Okay. And you can use any black shadow. The one I use is from the Urban Decay Kristen Lee palettes. And I begged for that palette. Someone found it for me and sent it to me. And the only color I use out of it is the black. That is so sad. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why I haven't used these other shimmers in here. I don't know. I have no idea. Like, you ever just have to have something, and then when you get it, you don't use it. That's what happened. Okay, and I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques face brush to blend out this blue just a little bit more. I don't know why my eyes never smell the same. Like, this eye is always way more pigmented than the other one. I have no idea why. Just be killing the whole vibe. Okay, and I'm taking the ColourPop concealer in medium 28. And this is a Morphe 421 brush. Okay, so now I want to, what I did up here, I want to do down here. Okay, that's the best way I can explain it. So what my eye is doing is giving, would this be an ombre effect? Or would this be a reverse eye? I don't know, it's gonna be one of those, okay? But see these colors in my crease, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take them that way from dark to light, okay? Yeah. So we're gonna start off with some black first. And this is just going to be the base for the blue. Okay, and next I'm going to the brown. Okay, so for the rest of the lid, I'm just taking a matte cream shadow. Okay, and then to make the eye pop even more, I'm going to take some of JLarue pigment, and this is in the color white gold. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the yellow and put just a little bit of it next to the brown and in between the glitter. Okay, and I'm just using Juvia's Place Nefertiti. Y'all already know. And I'm still waiting on my Juvia's Place that I placed during Black Friday. It's supposed to be here Saturday. Look at the Saturday. Oh no, it's not gonna be here till Sunday. No, not Sunday, but Tuesday. Excuse me. Oh, why not Monday? Oh, why gotta wait? Oh, it's Tuesday. It's already here in my city at the post office. What are you waiting for? Huh? Like, I need my highlighter. Both of them. Okay. I'm just like, you know what? Post office, whoever I'm waiting for, I'm annoyed. Okay, like real annoyed. I need my highlighter. I like this look. This is really cute. Besides the ponytail, like I got my hair done Wednesday, and this ponytail just been giving me all types of life. Okay, because y'all know I wear my locks, but I think in 2019 I'm gonna switch it up and actually get my hair done. Okay, but yeah, like this ponytail is real cute.